We've been Ska-Per. You've been amazing. Follow us on Facebook. Give us some comments, and we love you too, Emma. Mr. Sharp. Come up here, Mr. Sharp. Oi. This is my great friend Lee Sharp from Arcade Clothing. Great shop. Get your ass in. He's clobbering there. He's absolutely. He sells the boiler suits and everything.
I need a piss. Get a bit nearer. This is an amazing song.
I want to see you all dancing this time, every one of you. This is our last song. Thank you so much. Don't forget to follow us. Ska-Per out.
Ladies and gentlemen, Ska-Per!
And our guest singer, Lee Sharp. Thanks guys, thanks for coming out. Enjoy the rest of your evening. Thank you so much.